Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people of the world. Today we're going to a different area of modeling that is on depreciation. I'll show you some nice tools that you can be using each time you want to come up with a bankable financial model. Let's start, guys. You can assume that we have year one here. Let's move quickly. Okay. Let me just create some assumptions here. Will show the EPC cost of this particular $500 million for this particular project. What else? What else? What else? UEL, use of economic life, or if you're dealing with power generation, you want to get a power purchase agreement with the taker. So we can still call it a PPA. Let's say for argument's sake, 20 years. Or depreciation rate, U1 divided by this period here. Okay, so we have these numbers. Yeah. So this is how you model depreciation, guys. It's a very interesting skill. So we have the applicable depreciation. Mhm. So from applicable depreciation, we have accumulated depreciation. It's a given. Maximum permissible. No, the spelling is not correct. Excel has quite a number of things we can use for the spelling check. That admissible. Okay. Admissible. It's okay now. Fine. It's gorgeous. Okay. And we'll have depreciation charge. This is what we are looking for. This is what goes into the books. Okay. So applicable depreciation, guys. It's easy. Starting by there. is this number here. Look. Mm. Accumulated depreciation is this number here, whatever is there. I've left the column variable blank, like the depreciation. Permissible, guys, is actually going to be this number here. Look at it. Depreciation charge will be the minimum of this number here, comma, the maximum permissible number minus the accumulated depreciation. First, the column that is blank. This is what we'll have. Okay. So here we'll do this. Create another assumption. We'll say construction period. Says 3 years. Meaning here we'll have to create operation flag. Say equals. It is number here is greater than this number there. Give us 0 or else give us 1. Greater or equal to that number. Do this. So in year 4, we should be able to see that we have that number there. Okay. Over there. So you can do this. You got those flags, guys. So here now we can do this. We can say no. Let's see what happens. Yes. Start to say. Change that to say yes. We'll change this. Even more than that. Give us 1. Else give us 0. Just leave it for now. So on applicable, it's not permissible depreciation. Sorry, I didn't finish it up. Done. And to be determine this license. Hmm. So this is how you do it. You say the construction period is 0. You have these depreciations. The depreciation charge that you're going to pick will be the one that is down here, which is at any given time, it should give you, if you check the sum here, the last one should always give you the correct number. Or this becomes your depreciation. This is the number that you want. And this is how you model depreciation. Right. So for example, if the useful economic life for the PPA, that for the depreciation be tied to that for the PPA or the power purchase agreement that is here in the energy sector. But let's just assume that this particular asset its useful economic life is 20 years, meaning that you are going to depreciate it for 20 years. Construction period is now. It will just take maybe it's a 1 day construction where you can quite limited number of hours of days to construct this. But assume that it's a 2 year project. You take 2 years to construct this particular infrastructure or facility. It's right there. So it will show you in the third year, that's when now you can actually start to measure operation. And this is the number that you pick. No need to do the corkscrew in getting all these numbers. It just becomes much easier. And this is a smarter way of modeling depreciation in bankable financial models. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.